Welcome folks, Sean from Just Chevy Trucks. We're here taking a look at a 2001 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This vehicle has a LQ4 6.0 engine. As you can hear, there's an exhaust leak there. But other than that, this is actually a quiet, smooth running 6-liter engine. Come over to this side, you can hear no noise whatsoever. Take a look at the inside of this truck. You can see nice good scathe down the side, how we ended up with it. The cluster in this vehicle does not work. We've tried everything we can to get it to work, but it doesn't. The title showed up saying it had 143,000 miles on it, and the last inspection sticker for it, let's take a, so we can get a closer look up in here, shows that it had 141,000 miles on it. So we're pretty confident you're going to find this vehicle's got around 140,000 miles on it. But let's give her a couple revs, hear how she sounds. Like I said, great running 6.0 engine, perfect for your swap. If you have any questions, please contact us at Just Chevy Trucks, 207-457-5500. Thank you.